Welcome to this tutorial of Salsa for Beginners number 4. Today we're going to teach you the right turn for the leaders after the left turn of the leaders and their followers.
Hi there, welcome back to the next part of Salsa Beginners. Today what we're going to do is we're going to teach you the left turn and we're going to do also the right turn for the guys. In previous part we did the right turn of the ladies, so today we're going to combine it with the right turn of the guys. And the left turn is going to be the left turn for the ladies and left turn for the guys. So guys, let's do it! In the previous part we did the right turn for the ladies. It went something like this. We went down and up and we turned lady 5, 6, 7. So her turn was going to be first to the back. Now she's going to step to the front. She's going to turn and she's going to turn towards me again. So for the guys it's exactly the same. So the lady did now 5, 6, 7 and for us it's exactly the same turn but then on 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to combine them now with the ladies' right turn, because you can always do the right turn. We're going to bring the lady 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for the simple method of the right turn, the only difference is going to be in the different methods is that we're going to change the hand position. So in this case, what I'm now going to do, I'm going to the right turn, but we're going to keep the hands. So I'm going to go here on 1. I'm going to make an angle of about 90 degrees and my hand palm is facing up. Alright, so with this I create like a window that I can see the lady, and from there I'm going to put my arm over me and close. Ladies, for you it's only the back step, so no problem with that. 1, 2, 3. So this is the first option. If you combine it with the right turn of the ladies, we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to change my hand. Down, I'm going to go up, see the window, 2 and 3. Okay, let's do it from this side. Then you can see the arm better. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to change the hand position. My hand is now up. At least, sorry, my palm is down and I now want to face it upwards. So 1, 2, 3 and we continue 5, 6, 7. Alright? Well, now remember guys, when we do the hand palm facing upwards, is we want to don't give a pressure or whatever. It's just pushing your hand a little bit up, and 2 and 3, and then we can continue, because I don't want her to get a feeling that she has to turn. You guys are turning. Alright? First the lady is going to turn. 3, 5, 6, 7. You change the hand position. If you don't have time enough, do a basic step in between, and then you can face your hand palm upwards, and then we can continue to dance. We can do cross by the lead, like in previous part explained. We do the same. Down and up. 5, 6, 7. Change the hand position. So I'm going to go under. Now remember, we do never hold the hands. It's just actually only contact. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross by the lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. She turns. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Change the hand position. 5, 6, 7. We go turn. And 5, 6, 7. Alright guys? So we're going to try now the left turn. Okay guys, welcome to the left turn. We're going first to show you how to do the left turn. And then we're going to break it up in the several counts. So in this case, when we do the left turn, it may be a good way to keep the both hands positioned. So when we have the lady, we have an open hand held position, all right? In this case, I've got my two fingers here, these two fingers, the middle two fingers, within the hand of the lady. With this, I don't want to grab her, right? Okay, so when we do this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, give a preparation, enter in the lady, we're going to release the right hand, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do it from the other side. 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, I'm going to prepare, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right? Now, let's break it up in little tiny bits. When we have the left turn, you probably noticed that we did a preparation. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now with this 5, I create like a momentum, so she will be able to turn more easy and more fast when necessary. The steps. The steps of the left turn. So I'm going to do it first in the leaders count, so in 1, 2, 3. And then afterwards we're going to do it as well in the ladies count is 5, 6, 7. So when we do the basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, I'm going to go to the front. And when we're going to prepare the lady will be a little bit to our right side. So she's turned a little bit to our right side, because with this we can create a little bit of momentum. This is 1. On 2, I'm going to shift my weight back to my right foot, and we are starting to turn already. And now on 3, I'm trying to face back. Yes, so now I'm facing to the wall, our back is towards you. And we continue. On 5, we step on. 6, we turn on left. And 7, we close. Let's do that again. So we have the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With this we go 1, 2, 3. We step back. 5, turn on left, and 7. So we have the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With this we go 1, 2, 3. We step back. 5, turn on left, and 7. Now let's do it from the side, so you can see how the movement is done. So we have basic steps first. We're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to the left turn. So first to the front, a little bit twisting for the ladies. 2 and 3. We continue. 5, we turn left, and 7. All right. Now for the ladies, it's actually the same movement, but then you're going to do from the 5, 6, 7. So we have the basic step. 1, 2, 3. Now on 5, you're going to twist a little bit. 5, 6, you're going back on left. 7. So now you're facing to the back. On 1, you're going to turn. 2 and 3. Let's do that again. So we have the basic step. You start with the right. 1, 2, 3, my bad. 5, 6, 7. We go step and turn, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do it together. All right, from the basic position, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the ladies, as I mentioned before, with the open hand held position. So in order to get there, what we're going to do is we're going to slide the hands to this position. So to try it out, just slide the hand position. Now don't go all tickly or whatever, it's just slide and go, all right? Okay, so what we're going to do is going to start from basic. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. We're going to slide on 7. 1, 2, 3. Now remember the preparation, the twist. We're going to bring the lady a little bit in a twist. So my body, I'm going also a little bit sideways. So side back ways, you know, cross back. 5. Now I'm going to lift my left hand. 6. And now 7. I release my right hand and she's facing away towards the other side. Now this is interesting because now guys, I will have here room to put my right hand on the shoulder blade. So I'm going to put my shoulder on my hand here, and I'm going to lead her 1, 2, and 3. And the lady, she brings the arm a little bit up so she won't be stuck in the arm of the guy. All right, let's do it again from the closed position. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, we slide, 1, prepare, 5, 6, 7, hand on the shoulder blade, and 5, 6, 7. Let's do that from the other side. You can see a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 5, we slide open, 1, 2, twist, 5, 6, 7, hand on the shoulder blade, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, good. Let's slide. On 5 we prepare. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now make the turn so easy possible, alright? So it's really relaxed. Don't go turning the lady because that doesn't make any sense. It's just she does the movement, and guys, we only lead. And 5, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Crossbody lead. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, twist. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right? Now, for the guys. Okay, guys, when we do the left turn, this is actually the same as with the lady, only we don't need to do the twist. You can do it, so also nice for a little show. So what we're going to do is we're going to do basic step 1, 2, 3. For this case, I'm going to keep the left hand with the right hand of the lady, and 5, 6, 7. Now, several positions of the hands possible. I'm going to choose now 2. First of all, bring the hand up. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going under the hand, and then 5, 6, 7. Let's do that again. 1, 2. First basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn. 5, 6, 7. Now you notice, ladies, when the guy is turning, you can do like a Rumba side step that we did in part 2, in the previous part. So you're going just sideways and you do 1 count, 3 counts to the side. 1, 2, 3. So you go to the side. 5, 6, and 7. And then we continue. 1, 2, 3. All right? Now, as I promised, we're going to do a second hand position. In this hand position, I'm going to release the hand for a moment and put it on my body. So how it's going to be is I'm going to do the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do first from this side and from the other side, you can see the hand better. So hand is going low, 2, 3. And what I'm doing is I'm putting it on my side. I have this hand now released, and then go 5. I try to keep the contact. I feel the hand sliding over my back. 6 and 7. I catch again. So let's do that from this side. So what's happening with the hand? The hand is being placed on a position and I'm turning within the hand. So let's do it from basic step. 1, 2, 3. There we go. I bring the hand down. 3. You see there, it's just resting there. I just lift my arm a little bit up and then turn. 5, 6, and I find the contact. 7, and we go back into the basic step. So let's try that one more time from this side. Ready? Basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Going to release my right hand. 1, put it down. 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to do the other hand position. It's going up. 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going under it. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5 from this side. Here we go. I'm going to release this one. I'm going to first do the low part. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to do the second one. That is with going the hand up. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Here we go. Lift the hand. 5, 6, 7. So I'm just lifting the hand. I'm not going to do this because otherwise she's going to think she's going to do in the right turn. Remember, guys, we just go up, turn, go down. All right? Let's try this on the music. Okay, so let's first do the right turn for the ladies. Ready? Here we go. Down and up. Now, basic step. We're going to do right turn for the guys. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One basic. We go to the crossbody lead. I'm going to slide now my hand. 5, 6, 7. And to the left turn. 5, 6, 7. Now guys, we're going to do left turn. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter if you do the hand up or down. Just do the left turn. Let's do again the right turn for the ladies. Prepare. Down and up. Basic step. 1. Now the right turn for the guys. Look through the window. Turn. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to slide the arm again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to prepare. Ready? Go. Turn. Left for the ladies. One basic step. Now left turn for the guys. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do right turn for the ladies. And down and up. Right turn for the guys. After this basic step. Here we go. Up. And turn. Crossbody lead. 1, 2, 3. We're going to slide the hand. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Prepare the lady for the left turn. And go. And there we go. 5, 6, 7. Alright, have a lot of fun and see you in the next part of our salsa tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hi, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, check back later because we are adding every time new footage and new training videos. So if you like it, subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and hope to see you back soon. See you!